Hey guys, this is Renee from Agxcel. One of the most common calls that we get around here is what orifice should I be using, or which microtube color should I be using. A lot of people don't know that we do have an app on both app stores, the iOS App Store and the Google Play App Store. Just do a search for Agxcel Calculator and you'll come up with this app here. Now as it opens there, you can see it starts with a disk orifice calculator, and it's pretty simple to use. So this first top bar here, where you can choose what kind of system do you have. There's a GX2 electric system, GX5 hydraulic system, or even one of our GX30 systems here, electric and hydraulic for those. So we're just going to choose the GX2 electric system. The next option is for you to choose the spacing. 30 is the common spacing, so we'll stick with that. Your speed's 5 miles an hour, again common, we'll stick with that. And then this next selection here, you choose how many gallons per acre. Let's just switch that to 5. And then under number of rows, you put how many rows your implement has. We'll stick with 12. Hit done. Right underneath that, it'll say gallons per acre. Breaks it down for you. The first where it says spacing, miles per hour, gallons per acre, those should match the values that you just put up there previously. And then it's going to show you total gallons per minute. 1.52 gallons per minute is about where you should be at. And then per row it'll show you 0.13. So whenever you change these values up here at top, the values in this gallons per acre box will change as well. Underneath that, it's going to show you the recommended orifice along with the estimated PSI. Now this was built around like a 32%, so if you're using a thicker, more viscous fertilizer, you may have to change this a bit, but it's going to give you a good ballpark. So again, if you just change this to, let's just change this to 7 gallons per acre. Hit next, done. You can see that raised up the number here, your total gallons per minute raised up, and it also suggested a different orifice for you. And in this case, you'll be using the maroon orifice with a PSI of about 14. Now another thing is, if you click over here on the top right, those 3 lines, what we call the hamburger button, hit that, you can switch to the GX6 microtube calculator. Very similar. You choose which system you're using, choose your speed, switch it to 5, your application rate, so basically your gallons per acre, hit 5 on that. The width of your implement, let's put a 30-foot bar. And how many rows? It's a 12 row implement. And kind of similar, it's going to tell you how many ounces per minute per row. Now keep in mind, this is ounces per minute, it's not gallons per minute, so this number is going to be pretty large. So ounces per minute total is 194.25, and per row you're going to be doing 16.1 ounces on each row. Now below that, you're going to see all the available colors that we have in the microtubing, and then below that it's going to show you the recommendations. So again, very similar, but the main difference is that you're looking at the ounces per minute per row instead of total gallons per acre. That's the difference it's going to show you on this. Pretty simple to use, and like I said, it's available on both iOS and Android. It's free, so pick it up. And again, if the app is there for you to use, but if you have any other questions concerning the app, orifices, or microtubing, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.